Welcome back to our channel. Skilled photographers have leveled up their creations for decades using a myriad of photographic effects, both with the camera itself and in the darkroom. In this video, I'll demonstrate 11 remarkable photographic effects, each reproduced through the magic of AI art. I'll break down each photographic effect in the real world, then show you 4 stunning examples of each effect as created in Midjourney. Using these effects by name in your AI art prompts can be an easy way to level up your creations. I'll also include a free PDF document with all the prompts used in this video for your convenience. Let's get started. Steel wool photography. Ignite your creativity with steel wool photography, where sparks fly and light dances in the dark. In the real world, this technique involves spinning ignited steel wool in a whisk, creating a whirlwind of glowing sparks around the photographer. Capturing this spectacle as a photographer requires a blend of bravery and precision, yet in both the real world and AI, it results in beautiful long exposure shots that light up with fireworks. Rear curtain sync photographic effect. Master the art of capturing depth of motion in still photos with the rear curtain sync effect. By syncing the flash with the closing of the shutter, photographers capture the blur of moving subjects, combined with a crisp flashlit image. It creates a sense of speed and direction, which is perfect for conveying movement in still photos. It's a technique that plays with time, producing a trail of light that tells a story of motion. Prism Photography. Explore a world of refraction and reflection as prisms bend light to create captivating rainbow-like effects, adding a surreal touch to your AI art compositions. Prism photography is simply the process of bending, refracting, or scattering light on subjects in a scene using a prism. This technique is not just about colors or light distortion. It's about adding a layer of mystery and enchantment to your creations, enticing viewers to look deeper. Paint powder photography. Unleash a burst of color and energy with the paint powder photography effect. In the real world, the technique involves capturing airborne clouds of colored powder on objects, creating an explosion of hues against contrasting backgrounds. By combining motion and color, each photograph can tell a story of colorful moments that are frozen in time. This effect can be perfect for adding a splash of excitement and creativity to any image composition. Multicolor exposure photographic method. Step into the world of multicolor exposure, where a single image is made to produce layers of stories with overlapping hues and textures. By combining multiple exposures with different colors in one frame, photographers craft a composite image that's rich in depth and complexity. This method is a playground for creativity, offering many possibilities to merge realities, spark emotions, and create surreal scenes. Chemigram Photography. Merge the realms of photography and painting with the Chemigram Photography effect. In the real world, this is a unique process using photographic chemicals on paper to produce additional images not made with the camera. This technique blurs the lines between photo and art, allowing for spontaneous patterns, textures, and tones. Each chemigram is a one-of-a-kind work of art, demonstrating the unpredictable beauty of chemical reactions combined with the camera's actual subject. Kinetic photography. Freeze the dance of motion with kinetic photography. By moving the camera during exposure, photographers create images that streak, blur, and even swirl, turning moving subjects into abstract still art. It's a technique that celebrates movement in a very artistic form, encouraging viewers to see a scene not just as it is, but as it could be perceived through layers of motion and change. Tilt-shift photography. Transform your everyday photorealistic subjects into miniature wonderlands with tilt-shift photography. By adjusting the lens's tilt and shift, photographers play with depth of field and perspective, making full-sized scenes look like tiny models. This effect not only tricks the eye, but also injects a whimsical, storybook quality into images, making everyday scenes appear as if they're part of a miniature universe, just waiting to be explored. Cross-star filter photographic effect. Add a sparkle to your images with the cross-star filter effect, turning light sources into starbursts that punctuate your creation. This effect is achieved in photography by using a filter that diffracts light, creating a cross-shaped pattern and adding drama and magic to photographs. It's a simple yet powerful method that can elevate ordinary scenes into beautiful spectacles of interest. Black light photography. Take a step into the unseen with black light photography, where ultraviolet light reveals a hidden world of fluorescent colors. This technique allows photographers to capture glowing subjects against a dark background, highlighting the surreal beauty of ultraviolet reactive elements. It's a gateway to a sort of alternate reality where the ordinary can become extraordinary, glowing with unseen light. The Orton Effect. The Orton Effect is a photographic technique that gives subjects and images a more dreamlike and ethereal quality. It is created by combining two or more exposures of the same image, one sharply focused and one with a soft, glowing blur. Other layers are also possible. The Orton Effect gains its name from photographer Michael Orton, who pioneered the technique in the 1980s. Subtle halos and luminous highlights wrap subjects in a soft, often romantic light. The Orton Effect is widely used today to add a sense of warmth and nostalgia to photographic scenes. Thanks for reviewing these practical, yet captivating photographic effects with me. Please consider liking this video so I can bring more AI tutorials and examples your way. Thanks for your continued interest and support. See you soon. Bye for now.